Hello everyone, welcome to the OOPS concept in C#. In this video we will discuss about the method hiding in C# and it is a most popular concept comes in the C#. So let's understand what is the method hiding. So let's go to the project which we are working. So this is the project which we are working here. So we have one base class of the employee and two derived class. One is the full-time employee and another is a part-time employee, and we are calling it from the main method. So from here, now let's first get rid of this constructor, and here currently what we are having a method that is print full name, and when we run this application, so let's see what it is printing. It is printing .NET Office because we are assigning first name and last name here. Now there is a condition, like there is a requirement in my company, like when I create an object of the full-time employee, then like there is a reference of the full-time employee, then I like whatever the name it is giving, it should append a one more keyword called full-time. So for that one, how we achieve that requirement? So let's copy this method and paste it here, and here what I will do, I will append one keyword, and that is full-time employee. So when like this function name print full name, the similar function if I will take into the derived class, we can see here one green line is coming, and what it is saying, it is saying a warning message, and that is like if we are trying to hide inherited member of the employee, print full name, use the new keyword if hiding was intended. Means if you want to hide this method into the derived class, then use the new keyword. So it's a warning message. So at point of this time, if I will run also, it will not give an error, and it will give the data of this one, like we will get the message including full-time employee. So let's run at point of this time, and we are seeing .NET Office full-time employee. So here what it is saying, it's always a good practice to use the new keyword. So once I will put it here new keyword, we can see now we are not getting any warning message. So let's run this application again, and we are seeing the same message. So this is the way of doing a method hiding. Like if we want to hide anything of the base class into the derived class, then we use the new method hiding, and method hiding is achieved with the new keyword, and whatever you are going to hide, the name should be the same into the base class and the derived class. Now after doing the method hiding, if my requirement is like if at point of this time I want to call the base class method, then how we can achieve that? So there are a couple of the techniques we can do. One is using the base method. So let's comment this one, and at point of this time, if I will use the base keyword base dot full-time employee, so through that one also we can achieve. So at point of this time, it will print this message. So let's run it. So we can see currently we are getting .NET Office only. So this is the one method we can achieve it using the base keyword. So now let's take, like I don't want to call it, because if I will put it here base keyword, so whenever I will take a reference of this full-time employee, then it always call the base method. I want to achieve it using the reference object. So currently we are having here like full-time employee object. So another way of calling the base class method using the typecast. So what I can do, I can do a typecasting using the employee. So like if I will do typecasting using the base class of the employee, through that also we can achieve it. So for that one, what we have to do here we have to do the typecasting. So not here, like not at point of this time, here we have to do the typecasting when we are calling the method. So here we have to do the typecasting. So typecasting we have to do using the, like we have to use here employee class, like class name. So through that we can achieve it. So at point of this time, what it will call? It will call the base class method. So let's run this one. So when we will run it, we can see like .NET Office, we are looking the base method. So if I will remove this, so again, like now I'm not doing the typecasting. So what it will call? It will call the derived class method using the full-time employee. So that is the second way. And another way is using the reference type. Like currently we are creating a reference of the full-time employee. Instead of full-time employee, if I will create a reference of the employee class. So like using the employee class, if I will run at point of this time, what it will do, it will give the base class method. So this is the another way we can achieve it. So one is the base keyword, another is the typecasting, and next is the reference type. Now here we are creating a reference of the employee. So what if I will take the reference of full-time employee and the object of employee? So it is possible in the C#. So it's not possible. What it will give the compilation error. And the reason of the compilation error, what we are trying to do, we are trying to access the data of the employee, means the data of the base class from the derived class, and that is not possible inside the C#. So that's why we are not able to do that. So this is the way of creating a method hiding in C#. And if we want to access anything from the base class, so these are the techniques. So what all are the, we can do method hiding using the new keyword, and if we want to call the base class method, then one is the using the base keyword, and another using the typecasting, and next is the reference type of the base class. So these are the techniques of doing the method hiding. So that's it for this video. Thank you.